Ever wonder why your night cream isn't giving you the glowing, hydrated skin you were promised? You're not alone. Many people invest in expensive night creams hoping for skincare miracles, but then they don't see the results they were hoping for. The secret to amazing skin isn't just about slapping on night cream, it's about using it the way. We're going to dive into why your night cream might not be working and give you all my best tips and tricks to fix it. Get ready to transform your nighttime skincare routine. Alright, skincare enthusiasts, let's get real for a second. We've all been there. We see a fancy night cream with a laundry list of promises, and we think, this is it. This is my ticket to flawless skin. But sometimes, even with the best intentions, we might be sabotaging our skin without even realizing it. One of the most common mistakes I see is skipping cleansing. Cleansing your skin before bed is non-negotiable. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put on a fresh outfit without showering first, right? It's the same with your skin. Another mistake? Applying way too much night cream. More product doesn't always equal better results. In fact, slathering on a thick layer can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Timing is key. Applying your night cream at the wrong time can seriously impact its effectiveness. Work your skin's natural processes, not against them. Now that we've talked about some common night cream mishaps, let's shift our focus to the good stuff. How to apply your night cream the way for maximum absorption and those incredible glow-getting results you're after. First things first, we need to make sure we're starting with a clean canvas. A double cleanse is a must. This two-step process ensures we're thoroughly removing all traces of makeup, dirt, and impurities. Next up, toning or a serum. Applying a hydrating toner or a targeted serum before your night cream is like giving your skin a tall drink of water and a boost of nutrients. And finally, the night cream itself. Remember, a little goes a long way. We're aiming for a pea-sized amount, gently warmed between your fingertips. Instead of rubbing it in vigorously, try gently pressing the cream into your skin. This helps to enhance absorption and stimulates blood flow for a healthy, radiant complexion. Chapter 3. Expert Tips to Boost Your Night Cream. Are you ready to take your night cream game to the next level? Because I'm about to share some of my all-time favorite expert tips that will seriously amplify your night cream's effectiveness. Let's start with ingredients. When you're shopping for a night cream, pay close attention to the ingredient list. Look for powerhouse ingredients like retinol, which helps to boost cell turnover and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid is another must-have. It's like a tall drink of water for your skin, plumping it up and keeping it hydrated all night long. And don't forget about peptides. These little guys are like the building blocks of collagen, helping to keep your skin firm and elastic. Layering your skincare products in the right order can make a world of difference in terms of absorption and effectiveness. Your night cream should always be the last step in your routine. And finally, don't neglect your neck and hands. These areas are often overlooked, but they're just as prone to showing signs of aging as our faces. Extend your night cream down to your neck and décolletage and give your hands some love too. Chapter 4. Sweet Dreams and Happy Skin. And there you have it, skincare enthusiasts. You are now officially equipped with the knowledge and tools to transform your night cream routine and wake up to the radiant, healthy skin you've always dreamed of. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Your night cream is like that friend who's always there for you, working its magic while you sleep. So make it a non-negotiable part of your nightly ritual and watch your skin transform. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and your skin will thank you for it. Outro! Now go get your glow on. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, achieving healthy, radiant skin isn't about overnight miracles or expensive products. It's about understanding your skin and giving it the love and care it deserves. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future skincare tips and tricks. Now, go forth and conquer the world with your newfound skincare wisdom. Sweet dreams and happy skincare.